Because degrees and radians are both very common ways of measuring angles, we need to be comfortable converting between the two. So we have this equivalency that one full revolution is 360 degrees, but also 2 pi radians. A quick note on radians: if you are measuring an angle and you don't see a unit, it means it's in radians. So we have this equivalency here. Because these two things are equivalent, if I take this and divide both sides of this equation by either one of these, I still have a valid equation. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 360 degrees. Okay. And that gives me a 1 on the left. And on the right, that gives me, if I reduce this, I get pi over 180 degrees. So this tells me that pi over 180 degrees is 1. It's a unit, okay? I mean, as in a single unit rate. So if we want to multiply something by 1, okay, we could actually multiply by pi over 180 degrees, and it will not change the actual number. So we could have done the same thing. We could have divided by 2 pi and ended up with 180 degrees divided by pi. And those are the two conversion factors that we use to convert between radians and degrees. If you're starting with degrees and you want to get to radians, you multiply by pi over 180 degrees. If you're starting with degrees and you want to get to radians, you multiply by 180 degrees over pi. And that's as simple as it is. There's nothing to it.